Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to download the Zoom application in your device. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for our helpful web tutorials. Moving on today's topic, to download the Zoom application, you can simply download it from Play Store. Go to the Play Store on your device and enter in the search box Zoom. So here you are in the Zoom Cloud Meeting application. You can freely download, install it from Play Store here. Zoom is for the free HD meeting app with video and screen sharing for up to 100 people. So to install this application you have to download. For that, go to the install button. Now it will download and then install in your device. So the Zoom application has been downloaded. Now you can tap open and start using it by logging in. Zoom brings you the best quality of video conference and online meetings where you can address up to 100 people. So I hope this video was helpful to you in downloading the Zoom application. You can now start a meeting, signing up and signing in to your account. Thank you for watching our video till the end. Do like our video and subscribe to our channel WebTech Tutorials. Also hit the bell icon for more coming videos. If you have any suggestion or comments, you can mention them in the comment section below.